Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make this beautiful piece that will be an exquisite addition to your home. What you're looking at here is today's project. It's beautiful, comes about very quickly. All you need is some leftover jelly roll or scraps, and you can take 1 hour and turn this into something absolutely gorgeous. So join me today so I can show you how to make this beautiful piece that you can use anywhere you see in your home. This is a continuation from our quilt that we made last week. So let's get started. So all we need is the leftover strips that you have from any particular scraps. Is going to be very beautiful for this as well. Alright, so I'm using a combination of the same fabrics left over from the frozen ice Christmas quilt. I have some pieces already cut out here, and again the pattern is going to tell you exactly what you need, so don't worry about that. So what we need to do is to start with the strips that's already laid out here in front of you. And we're going to sew in a circular motion, making sure that each of the strips covers that particular middle one, and we're going around in 2 or 3 rows. So here is a finished block. So what I usually tend to do when I'm doing this is to iron the block in half and I cut it. Once I cut it, you're going to get this particular layout here. Arrange it however you see fit, but again, the pattern is going to give you clear instructions of how to do this. Notice that we have different combinations of the quilt top, the block in this case, coming together. Alright, so it's very important that you can mix it up, or you can just use 2 blocks to form your initial block layout. But whatever you use, just make sure that your contrast is there. So here is the actual layout of the table runner, and I've used different combinations of mediums, some grays in there, and definitely some lights. Okay, the lights allows it to show off the pattern a lot more easily. If you use darks only, it's going to hide the pattern and you will not be able to see it. So play with your fabric contrast and see how you get on. Now when I'm basting, I tend to make sure I can put it on there, lay it out so I have enough room and I can flatten it out with my hands. So I like to make sure that it's nice and smooth before I start glue basting. Once I have sprayed the glue, the next best thing that I like to do is to simply iron it out. The reason I like to do that is because I find it makes it really smooth and ready for quilting. I also do this at the back as well. So that's one of my special little tips that I do before I start to quilt. This is a very short, quick project. Here is a look of last week's quilt. Such a gorgeous piece that really enhances your space and just brings about a talking point as to how this was actually made, and definitely allowing the new piece to make the whole space cohesive and well balanced for Christmas. So in today's video, I just really wanted to draw those 2 pieces together to show how we can add a little bit of Christmas charm to our space and enhance our thought process. So let me show you now the piece for today, and let me know down below if you'd like to make this. But of course, I am going to offer this new table runner, or can we use it as a table runner? Let me show you how I've styled it. This beautiful piece measures 15.5 by 58.5. It looks awesome, absolutely gorgeous. It looks really difficult to make, but yet it is made so easily. I used a lot of quilting on this, and I did some feathers and swirls, and I think it's just come about really beautifully. When I started to quilt this, I must admit, I was not sure where I was going with the quilting. I didn't have a plan, but my hands just took over and I just went with it. Doesn't it look gorgeous? All the feathers just randomly placed all over, and you can see all of those quilted lines on the back. The piece looks gorgeous and the backing fabric is just suited for this. You can use it on either side, one side for Christmas and another side for Valentine's. A beautiful piece that will just really enhance your table and make it look really awesome. Here is last week's, still on my wall, as I wanted to show you both pieces together and how it can really enhance just that little corner there if you decide to do something like this. The binding has come about really lovely in terms of the color complex and everything else. Just a little hint of that red right to the front, and it really brings the whole thing cohesive. Again, added that little touch of red in the initial quilt layout. So I wanted to show you what the whole thing looks like with other decorative pieces. So I've moved the center vase and so that you can see it really, really well. A lovely piece that goes right down to the center of the table, and I think it looks really gorgeous. On the back, you can see how beautiful that fabric is and how much it really, really, really looks gorgeous. Look at that fabric. Very vibrant colors, again, can be used at any time of the year. And the white quilting just really shows it off so gorgeously. What do you think of this? Now, if I haven't said this as yet, the pattern will be a giveaway for the first 100 people in the description box down below. Please make sure that you are signed up for the channel. You are subscribed for the channel. If you're not, please subscribe. It is a gift to my subscribers. So the first 100, and of course, my channel members, this will come to you free anyway, so you don't have to worry about it. I've changed the vase here as a dark color just to show off how it looks. And again, I think it looks really gorgeous. I love giving you guys options of how you can use your piece to decorate your home. Just giving you ideas. At the end of the day, I mean, this is what we do, isn't it? We make decorative pieces to really enhance a space or for someone else's space, and it looks really beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a message down below and let me know what you thought of this beautiful table runner. Here I'm showing you can just drape it over your sofa, again as another decorative piece, just to enhance that space. Bye for now, happy quilting, and let me know your thoughts in the description box. See you in the next video. Bye everyone, have a good day.